Hello, Plexum users. I am Moses. Here's how to create your commission payout options. Example, PayPal, ACH direct deposit, and others. If you are using a commission payroll company, they will most likely provide you with an example file structure to provide them your commission payout data. In this video, I will create PayPal and ACH direct deposit payout options. From the navigation menu, click on Wallet, then Payout. Option tab. On the Payout Export settings, click on Add a new export. Here's where we will add the PayPal option for payout. From the processor selection dropdown, select payout. Select PayPal. Enable. If you want to set minimum payout, simply type in the amount. In this case, I'm going to put $20. So anybody below $20 will not be included on the payout. Currency, in this case, USD. Location, you can have domestic, which is only going to be your country. In this case, it's going to be US, United States. Or you can select international, which means that only people that is not in your country going to be able to select this option. Or you can simply just select all location. So we're just going to leave it for all location. Available class rank, you can select which class or rank that will be able to be added or that can add themselves to this payout option. And if you leave it empty, it will be everyone. So we're just going to select bronze, silver, and gold. And you can also charge processing fee, and this will be deducted from their commission. You can do percentage, or you can do fixed cap. You can use both of them together, or you can use one. You can do one or the other. So we're just going to leave all this empty right now. Most of this option here on the additional payout deduction, this is only available on Plexum Professional. This is the additional deduction that you can do from the payout. You can also type a note here. So in this case, we're just going to say pay this will be shown to the users within the dashboard. Click Save. To see the newly added export option, click on the refresh. Then I will add a new option, which is going to be for the ACH direct deposit. Click on Add a new export. In this case, you will select Not Listed. Enable, yes. You can also set minimum for this. I will put $20. So anybody with payout from $20 and above will be included on this payout, or can get the money from this payout. Currency is not necessary, but I will just put USD. Location, you can also select location for this, either local, like domestic, in the United States, or the country that you are in, or international, or you can just make it all location. And you can also select the class ranks that you want to be included on this file. You can leave it empty. You can leave everything empty, which means that the system will assume that you want to allow everyone to put their payout on ACH direct deposit. So I'm just going to leave them all empty. Processing fee, this may be very important to direct deposit, because some company that will do direct deposit for for you, they may charge processing fee, and you may want to pass that processing fee to your members. So I would use percentage instead of a fixed amount. So I would just say 1%. You can also use fixed amount if you want. Maybe let's just do 25 cents. The additional payout deduction can be used, and this option is only available on Plexum Professional. And on the export format, you can select either CSV or text file. So we're going to do CSV, and it's going to be comma separated. Or you can choose other option as well. Notes, you can also put notes. You can type in a note that is going to be shown to your members, consultants, distributor. The note will be shown to them in the dashboard. So I'm going to click on save to save these settings. Now we have our second option. But with this second option, you're going to need additional fields to collect data. For example, collecting the banking information, address if it's needed, telephone number, or things like that you need to do the ACH. So to do that, you click on the second icon, which is the data field manager. This will allow you to create those custom fields that you may need. Click on add a new field, select yes, field position 1. Now this is going to be bank name, for example, and this is the name of the bank of your members. So we're going to use a text box. You can specify the field size if you want. It's not necessary. I will leave it empty, and I'll make it required because the bank name have to be submitted along with all other data. So I'll make it required. And you can also put a caption, which is going to be shown in the dashboard of the users as well. I click on save. So that's one. So we do the second one. So I would do this second case will be account number. Text file as well. If you select yes on this option, the information that's provided is going to be encrypted in the database. So anyone that has the direct access to the database won't be able to see this data. So I'm going to select yes because it's sensitive data. Form field size is not necessary, but you can type it in if you want. Required, yes. And you can also put a caption if you want. Save. So that's the second one. So the third one, let's say routing number, for example, 3. The same, we select text box. We're going to make it required as well. Also put a caption there, then click on save. You can also call for address of the the location of the bank. You can call for location of the address of the users also, and some other information that you want to collect from them. But in this case, we're just going to leave it as these three data just for video purpose. Now I will close this out. Before we move on to the other section of this, you will need to pair those fields that you just added with an actual export file. And how to do that, you will click on Edit on that ACH direct deposit. Again, this could be other things that you had. I'm just using this as an example. So we click on Edit. I will scroll down. And this is where I tell my export file what I want on it. So first thing I want on it is the payout amount. Maybe the payout date, ID, reference. You have a lot of options here that you can put. You can even include the address, the username, and other stuff. But we're only going to require what is needed right now, just for this example. The bank name that we just added, you will see anything that you added manually to the setting, it will be donated with DF, which means data field. So you just double click on it, it will go to the export file field. And once this is done, you just simply click on save. Again, you can add anything to this list, and anything that you add to this list is going to be required for your members to type in, and also it will be included on the export file. Click on save. At this point, we are done with this payout settings. Watch out for other videos on how to create export, generate payout, how to process compensation, and some other feature. Thank you for watching.